What's up? I'm back. It's Stack Mode Chris, man. What's going on with y'all boys, man? All right, look, we're gonna talk about something today, and we're gonna be going over entries, stop loss. Of course, we're gonna be going over strategy, in a few ways that you guys can easily be profitable, like you can see on the screen here. Trading is extremely easy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you something now. If you're not a persistent person, you're not gonna make it in trading, or pretty much in life. If you're not a persistent person, you can't be someone who just gives up often, and you have to be accepting of failure. So yeah, you have to understand that, especially when you first initially do trade, especially without a mentor. If you guys want mentorship, make sure you guys get with me, and we'll go ahead and go over everything as well. You can find that in my Discord. Go and join that, and then yeah, we'll get some mentorship there, and link in description below as well. But pretty much, guys. So regardless of entries, strategy, of anything like that, your discipline is the reason why you're unprofitable. A lot of you actually do win some trades. I don't think a lot of you just come in and get destroyed every single day. But what tends to happen to a lot of people and a lot of traders often is that they make a profitable trade and then they give it back. They give it back, give it back. Now, this is something that I and everyone who's started trading has definitely been guilty of as well. But once you find your discipline, guys, and once you find your flow, things become 100,000 times easier, honestly. So what I mean by finding your flow is really like, after you make a really nice trade that you're satisfied with, get off. Withdraw some percentage of that, and keep playing with the remainder, and then just take it slow. You don't need to go full port on the next trade just because you hit a decent trade. Take it slow. You need to make sure you think about what really just happened, and like realize, just like you realize gains, you got to realize the gains in your brain, to be honest. Because when you do that, you're not going to make stupid decisions. There's been plenty of times where people make thousands, $100,000, $10,000, and then they think they're going to go for a million. Or if they make 1,000 on a trade, they want 5,000 on a trade. You have to really be satisfied with what you have. You have to be satisfied with what God's given you, really, and what you hit on your trade. So really, just be grateful, and that's really gonna get you a long way in trading. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's all gonna be the same setups, just different dollar amounts. The same person with the $1,000 account, who's a good trader, is gonna take the same setup as someone with $1 million in their account. It's just the same thing, guys. It's just different balances and different values. It's just the matter of repetition and really sticking to your discipline and making sure that you guys aren't breaking the rules that you set for yourself. So if you tell yourself you're going to limit yourself to 1 to 2 trades a day, make sure you're sticking to that. You can't be breaking your rules if you're going to be a profitable trader. Trading is not something that a lot of people succeed at, and the main reason why is because most people are undisciplined. And this goes way past trading, to be honest. This actually reflects into your real life. Make sure you guys are eating healthy. Make sure you guys are going to the gym. Make sure you guys are journaling. Trading is a business just like anything else. You're using money to make money. But if you're sloppy with your business, everything will crash and you can go bankrupt. Trading is the exact same way. It's no different. So yeah. So with that, guys, really make sure that you're sticking on your rules. Make sure you guys are staying prayed up with God 100% too. That's always going to be beneficial to you. So yeah, guys. So let's talk about something else. So another thing with discipline as well, guys, is you have to really make sure that that voice in your head telling you to do little extra things, you need to clip that. You need to have full control over that. So if you just placed a winning trade, a little voice in your head, just because you have some settled funds left over, like, oh wait, what if I place one more trade? Because guys, I promise you, if you place another trade after you just won, there's a very high chance that you'll probably just give back gains. Don't do that. If you're smiling at the screen and you're happy with your realized gains, guys, take profit. Withdraw. Take your time. Smile. Be happy with the realized gains. It's not real until it's in your bank account again. So always remember that, guys. Don't be getting too excited over gains that aren't withdrawn yet. So because you can definitely place another trade and it can all be wiped away instantly. So don't be one of those people who are giving back gains, guys. Make sure you guys are staying consistent. Make sure you guys are staying super disciplined, and make sure you guys are staying profitable, man. And then one of the main things that's gonna get you profitable is discipline. Don't be breaking your rules. Don't be breaking your setup rules as well. It's another big thing that a lot of people do. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you something now. So this is a setup that I just play continuously. Um, I only play one setup. Um, so yeah, I literally do only play one setup. I play monthly lows and I play weekly lows. So as you guys can see here, Microsoft came down to around this monthly conjunction here, and now we're getting a nice bounce here, and pretty easy. I use the indicator swing points and liquidity as well to see the little bounce points at the bottom. So I'm a person who I only play calls, guys, and I only short the top. My apologies. So I only play puts if I'm shorting the top, which is honestly very rarely, but I'll say 99% of the time I only play calls just because it's just super easy and this is just what works for me. I like to create a big watch list just like this, and I'm going to show you guys the same strategy as well in my next video tomorrow, inshallah. That means if God wills, if you guys hear me say that as well. But so yeah, so you guys can see here, boom, Microsoft ran down to these monthly lows, gave a pretty nice entry, very easy, nice bullish price reaction here, and yeah, we'll probably get another re-entry as well, maybe in a day or two. But yeah, have some nice bullish price reaction. But guys, this is my setup. I don't break my setup, guys. You know, I play this one setup. I don't care what I'm playing. I don't care if it's forex. I don't care if it's crypto. I don't care if it's options. I don't care what it is. I'm playing the same setup, guys. It's the same thing if I go over to crypto as well. I'm playing this weekly low here, or I'll play a monthly low. I'll mark out the zone, head over to my chart. Boom. I saw we had like a close retest, so now I know that price has a good chance to just boom. Crypto is extremely easy in my opinion, guys, to be honest. Um, yeah, I'm probably going to be getting into more crypto just because I think crypto is pretty easy, but then again, I don't know. I'm really cool with just playing options, to be honest, and just focusing on one thing and focusing on business for you guys and just pumping out content. But yeah, trading's all the same, guys. No matter if you're playing forex, crypto, stocks, it's whatever futures. You're trading the same thing, man. It's the same setups. It's the same thing. It's very easy. I'll just pull up just to show you guys just a random forex pair I never took a look at, and I'll promise you I could probably find a zone, inshallah. Check it out. So we'll pull up Euro USD. Boom. I'll head over to the monthly. I'm going to go ahead and draw out this here. See if there's any monthly candles that match. I see we have no monthly candles here, so I'm going to go over to the weekly. And boom, as you can see here on the weekly where we're getting this bounce from, we can see this weekly structure here. We had a bounce from here, and a bounce from here. So yeah, we can see that this zone is pretty probable, and we should get a nice bounce from here back up into these highs pretty easily. So yeah, guys, it's not that hard, to be honest. Trading is extremely simple once it comes to the technicals, in my opinion. But it's really just sticking to your rules because honestly, the more you know, the harder it is to be disciplined, to be honest, because you start seeing things like, wait, this is the setup, this is the setup, this is the setup. Don't psych yourself out. Don't let yourself get tricked. Yeah, the better you get, honestly, the harder it is to have discipline, in my opinion. At least that's how it is for me. The better I got, harder it was to have discipline. So as you can see here, boom, same thing with this. We see it. We see Qualcomm running to the monthly lows here. Boom, heading over to the daily and the 4 hour. Nice. I'm seeing some nice structure. Have a swing point there. Some 4 hour structure here, and we should see a pretty nice bounce around this zone for Qualcomm as well. So it's easy, guys. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy, man. It's so easy. Like I really can't stress it enough. Like it's not even hard. It's not even hard. Trading's not hard. It's not hard. It's just like stay disciplined and stick to your rules. Stop being slow, man. Stop messing up your future. Cause this is something I've definitely been guilty of in the past too. It's just like just over trading, just being cringe, and just like doing stuff you just don't need to be doing, man. Just stop. 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 Like stop. Like if you're trying to be profitable, like stop doing cringe things, bro. Take it day by day, take it trade by trade. Like it's not hard. These technicals are the same on every single chart. Boom. Monthly low, 4 hour. It's running to it right now. Walmart will be here soon, inshallah. It's not hard, bro. Stay off of the lower time frames. Stay off of like the minute time frames. A lot of y'all aren't even good for that. Like, are good enough to use that stuff because a lot of it's not even good to use. You just get like faked out. Get on the higher time frames. Less trades. Stay disciplined. And yeah, inshallah, you guys are definitely gonna be profitable, man. Just keep going. Um, don't stop. Yeah, man. Just keep on pushing, y'all. I'm proud of y'all. Peace. Join my Discord for signals, mentorship. We can talk one-on-one. I'm going to put a calendar in my description below, and we'll talk about some technicals and stuff like that. And yeah, we can talk about strategy, talk about your mindset, whatever you're struggling with, and we'll just get you profitable and better, man. Let's do it. Peace.
If this video has helped you but you're still in need of further guidance, make sure you join the StackMode Trading Discord using the link in the description below. Here, you'll have access to speak with me personally, as well as you'll gain access to the StackMode trading signals. These signals are usable for stock options, futures, and cryptocurrency, so everyone is welcome to join. Here, you'll also find the link for my one-on-one mentorship, where we'll discuss on how to get the best entries, we'll chat about strategy and risk management, and get your discipline and technicals in place. If you guys are ready to change your lives and become profitable traders, then inshallah, sign up with me and let's do it.